Hi, I'm Ruhan Gupta, and I'm here to present BudgetEd. Public schools are losing government funding every single year. According to the Century Foundation study in July 2020, we're underfunding public schools by around $150 billion annually. As money gets tighter, more decisions need to be made about budgeting, all while taking the voices of students, staff, and teachers into account. And the whole budget process for school districts is a logistical nightmare. BudgetEd helps school districts plan, manage, and revise school budgets with data-informed decisions and logical thinking. BudgetEd uses budget documents provided by the user, context and information to teach BudgetEd about your schools, and constraints and feedback for making budget decisions. This helps BudgetEd create these stronger and more helpful school budgets and simplify the process. Let's do a demo of BudgetEd. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to start by uploading 4 budget files, 3 from previous years for my school district, and then the 4th is an adopted budget. I'm now going to provide BudgetEd with some budget context and directions. So here I'm going to ask for it to draft some changes to the budget for the next fiscal year. And now I'm going to provide some feedback and constraints about some recent changes that we need to implement in the budget, including upgrading the Wi-Fi, understanding that we'll cut some funding, and also to cut some of the funding for construction and renovation, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and create some budgeting recommendations. Awesome. So here I've got some budget recommendations, and this information is going to basically create some new changes to the fiscal year budget, and we're going to see that it's extracted all the information from those files and it's created a nice increase and decrease for each section that we need to change to our budget, and also just keeping some sections the same. And BudgetEd will help create a simple budget revision, which makes it easier for the school districts to make more informed decisions when deciding their finances for the next year. And that's the demo. BudgetEd runs with Google Cloud and Gemini generative models to process documents, determine where to make budget adjustments, and present a detailed report. To build BudgetEd on the front end, we also use Vue.js and Node.js. And BudgetEd has the potential to make a huge impact for our public schools, simplifying the budget process and making more informed decisions. So let's help our public schools with BudgetEd. Thank you so much.